What's up you guys? Today I'm doing a get ready with me for my friend's bachelorette party. So let's begin. First I'm gonna be brushing up my brows, and you guys know this is a staple in my makeup routine. It just gives me like a nice natural face lift, as well as making my eyebrows as even as possible. I'm grabbing my Absolute New York eyebrow pencil and I'm just going in the same direction my brows are. I find it looks a lot more natural that way instead of making any harsh lines with a pomade, and this just kind of blends in with the product as well. For my moisturizer, I'm taking this Kama Ayurveda Iladi Hydrating Face Cream. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I think it makes a huge difference underneath my foundation. It just makes me feel glowy and hydrated and moisturized. Just everything that you want to feel when you're attending someone's, crazy parties. So, yeah. I don't know if anyone can relate to this, but my under eyes have been as dry as Sahara Desert during this Diwali time. It's pre-winter technically, so I just find this under eye cream by Mama Earth, and it really helps. It keeps my moisturized and prevents foundation from gathering. I'm taking a little further and taking this Swiss Beauty Illuminator, putting it on the high points on my face, just really emphasizing that glow. And here I'm just waiting it out a bit, just letting that product seep into it before I start with my foundation. You guys, this MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation killed it for this look. It just made me feel so locked and loaded and smooth, and even it matched my spray tan. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with it. And I'm taking this Pro Arte AK40 brush for this application. Recently I've just been liking to brush down on my entire face, then after you will see me go with a sponge, and it just kind of cleans the extra product on my face. I'm taking my 24-hour smooth wear concealer from MAC, throwing some on my hand. Recently I've been liking to take more precise brush, and I just find it looks better and it's a little more sanitary, especially if you're doing someone else's makeup. Look how nicely you can carve out that eyes, and I actually have a video completely dedicated to concealer placement, so I'll link that below. You guys can check that out if you want. I'm grabbing this iconic Wet n Wild contour kit in the shade Caramel Toffee. I have used this forever. I'm still using it and I just love the banana shade. I feel like it melts the concealer so beautifully and seamlessly. And I have used this so much. You can see the pan, its pan is visible. I've used so much. You get the point, right? So I'm basically just prepping my eyes for the eyeshadow with this now. Anyways, moving on to this beautiful palette. They just sent this to me. I'm just taking some warm tones and putting them in the inner corner of my eyes and kind of just fading it out towards the end. And now you're just gonna see me putting that on my eyelid, and it just brings back some dimension to my face. Going in with this brown shade and just running that on the inner corner of my eyes. We want this to look as natural, as thin as possible, and I'm taking my concealer again. I'm just going over it one more time. I just felt like my under eye looked really dark for some reason, and it worked out because I just wanted to sharpen up my eyeliner and make it as sleek as possible. So Then I'm taking my eyeliner pen and just drawing in some liner, not winged liner this time. I feel like everyone at the party will have a winged liner, so I'm just gonna add a little silver liner above that black one. Let me just finish my face makeup first, and then we'll see if it's not too bold with my lips. I wanted to do something little bit extra for this party, something that's still subtle, but you know, it's there and it's fun and it's screaming like hello, it's in your face 2020. People are still enjoying life anyway. So I'm kind of just tracing this with a pen. This pen wasn't really great, so I'm not going to link this product down below. Now we are curling the lashes. I love doing this before I put on my mascara. It just makes it look so much better. I'm taking this one by NYX. It's kind of just wiggling my way up. As you can see, I just find this looks best that way. Now I'm grabbing my NYX contour stick, running that along all the necessary areas, and I'm just going to be buffing that in. Then I'm setting my face with my favorite NYX mattifying spray, letting that sit in for a little bit. While that settles in, I'm just gonna grab my daily dose of vitamins. Lately I've been enjoying Purna gummies, and they have huge library for women especially, and if you're planning on buying, feel free to use my code RUTUMA for the discount, and I mean, if you want, no force. Moving on, then I'm going in with a highlighter. I'm using this one by Makeup Revolution. It was in the collaboration with SWAT. I love this so much. It just gives you like a nice natural highlight, doesn't look too sparkly, just a little bit more sheen. Now I'm taking my Sugar Matte as Hell crayon lipstick, throwing that on the corner of my eyes first and give myself some nice dimension, and then I just love this color, so I'm just gonna fill my entire lips. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I love the way it turned out, and if you guys want to see the final look with my outfit, head on over to my Instagram. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.